Hey everybody, we're really excited. Today is a big day. Our new hot tub has arrived from Washington State. It took about 3 weeks to get here and a couple weeks of manufacturing, so it's been a couple months now, but we're really excited to see it, to get it unpacked and see what it's all about. So now let's focus on the deck. As you can see behind me, we installed a new brown wood deck for the property. We have the existing white deck that's presently on the property, but the brown one was the extension. The deck itself cost around $2,000 to have installed. Permitting and so forth was probably another $500 or so to have done. The deck itself took around about a month to have completely installed, and then the permitting process was probably an additional 1 to 2 months to have that completed, although we did have to have a couple inspections happen to ensure that everything was done properly. As you can see, the legs of the deck are quite thick. These are 6x6 posts to help support the weight of the deck. The deck is of course mounted against the property, the house, and additionally is attached to the house to avoid any sort of movement or slippage. So it's happened. We were finally able to get our hot tub completed. You can see behind me here, the hot tub is fully installed on a new deck, fully permitted, fully insured, and ready to go. So now we're going to talk specifically about the hot tub. The hot tub is from a company out west called Redwood Hot Tubs, and they have been producing hot tubs for quite a long time. Most of the hot tubs are imported from China and then rebranded and shipped out for customers here in the United States. This hot tub specifically is a Cedar tub, as you can see there. The hot tub is made from redwood from Canada. It's quite a beautiful design. It's very simple, as you can see. It has a nice little ladder system that you can move around to adjust the location. And the hot tub itself is quite nice. It's a 3-person tub, so it's not a large tub, which was our intention. And the tub itself is quite easy to maintain. Okay, so let's talk about some of the specifics. The deck itself cost around $2,000 to have built. Additional permitting was required, of course, for the weight of a hot tub. So we had to have multiple inspectors come out, check the weight of the deck, check the supports to ensure that everything was adequate to support the hot tub and the installation. Once that was complete, then we could move on to the electrical. The electrical was probably the slower component, and this is mostly due to just working with local vendors, trying to get them out and organized. The team that we had come in did a fantastic job, really good. Narrowsburg Electric, based out of Narrowsburg, New York. The team was very efficient, quite fast. We had to have an additional follow-up electrical inspection done, which did add quite a bit of time, probably an extra month to 2 months sort of lead time waiting for that to happen. So if we talk specifically about the electrical, they had to run a specific dedicated panel to the electrical box. This requires additional cabling, additional hardware, a breaker box outside the property to allow it to be shut off from the deck, and then we also have breaker box in the basement as well. This box here, this is the timer for the pump, so we can set it for specific intervals. We have it coming on every couple hours for 30 minutes just to keep the water circulated and fresh. One of the challenges we've been dealing with is dealing with hard water in this area. So we are on a well in this location, and so unfortunately what happens is you get extra kind of brownness, darkness in the water, which results in kind of a discoloration. The water itself is actually completely safe to use, but it's perhaps not the most favorable color that people want to jump into. So that's a process that we're working through, trying to figure out how to correct that issue.